welcome to Explain That. This is a tutorial on how to appeal to remove age restriction on your YouTube video on Android. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you need to have your YouTube Creator Studio and already up your email. So first off, tap on the email link that will direct you to this page. It will always give you info about your video that you've been doing or creating. So submit if done if you already created up your appeal of restrictions. So always review the content and context of the mail so that you'll be able to understand what's going to happen in your videos. So that's about it. That's how to appeal to remove age restriction on your YouTube video.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.